This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio, all hazards. Station WXK97 in Summersville, Maryland. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio, all hazards. 11 a.m. at Eastern.
Activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio, all hazards. Station WNG704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio, all hazards. Here is the official national